What is up, risk takers? Today I'm playing Risk Low Domination. The board is Las Vegas with blizzards. Um, I've set my sights on cracking the top 100 players in the game, currently ranked 169. So this is my quest to get to the top 100. Right now I'm playing a game with 2 AI and 3 human opponents, and I am last to act. Fine by me. So let's see where everyone goes. Um, Later on today, I'm going to be playing this map with blizzards and zombies and fog in the round 5 of the Q1 Risk Discord tournament. So wish me luck on that. But I think I'm pretty close, even if I totally pooch this game, to make it to the next round just on points. Let's take a look at how this game goes. So I've been playing a bunch of Las Vegas just to get a sense of how this map looks. Obviously I'm not going to see most of it because of fog, but alright, so in the third position we have Find the Flag of Turkey, 27 hours in the game. But they get this continent, which is worth 3, but he only has to hold 2 because of the blizzards. That seems like a great place to start. Only problem with this map as I see it is I don't like to hang out in the middle. Flying the Flag Brazil, a bit more hours in the game, 66 wins, 204 losses, but he makes a stupid attack on 3 and loses his initial. Yeah, good luck, I agree. Flying the Flag of France in the second last position, 100 hours in the game, 25 to 176. Alright, so my competition is not terribly stiff this game, and I am last to act, which is just where I want to be in progressive. Let's see where yellow goes, and that can determine my starting position. I think I'm going to take this corner because I can do it in such a way that doesn't appear threatening to orange. This territory creates a nice, actually creates a nice buffer between these two continents. And I'm not going to take it, but I am going to occupy it a little bit. And then I think this is actually a pretty cool corner too, where on the other side of where yellow is, we can both occupy this corner without being in each other's way. And the number one thing I like to do in progressive is stay out of everyone's way. So that might actually be a better move, is I start here and I take that interior piece of these two blizzards. And maybe I can maintain my second position out here. Okay, yellow is being aggressive. That was not something I would have predicted. Okay, so I'm going to put 3 troops on that 6 stack. I'm going to put the rest up here. 7 on 2 is guaranteed to take. And I think I'll just sit on that. I'm going to consolidate these 2 positions with an eye to maybe moving them. So I kind of want to let orange out. I'm going to put my 4 on the 2. And pass the turn. Okay. For turn 2, purple is going to try to retake this 2-point continent here. It's a 2 for 2. What's it called? It's called Sunrise Manor. I guess not. The bot has other ideas? Oh no. I called that one. Okay. And then purple makes another attack in the Lake Mead continent, which I'm going to expand into out of this position. Currently have the 3 position board. Probably going to try and consolidate down to 2. Blue's going to break. Okay. Where does orange go? Orange will guard and probably consolidate these 2. I've tried to leave them enough roads out so that hopefully I've indicated that I want to consolidate these 2 positions. Orange and I don't need to be enemies unless that's what he chooses. Problem with trying to crack the top 100 is now I'm playing, yeah, good, take the road out. Excellent. And he's going to move the 2 out, and then he's going to let me. This guy's good. Move the 2 out? Don't move the 3 in. He wants the corner. No, he moved the 2 out. Okay, good. That worked out exactly how I wanted it to. So, the reasons I like maps with corners is that's where I like to hang out and then push into the middle. I occupy the space around the outside, leaving my opponents with less space on the inside, and then they end up killing each other, riddling each other away, and then you strike and defeat them at the right time, take their cards, match again, and you can chain react and win the game on a single turn or two. And that's basically the way I play most progressive games. I like big boards. I like big boards with corners. So what Orange has allowed me to do, Orange is going to gravitate towards his position. I don't feel threatened by him holding this continent at all. And I don't feel threatened by Yellow over there, where I'm nice and out of those two guys' sway, and Green is distributed still. We don't really know what Green's plan is yet. But this is perfect. I really like how this game is developing. Yeah, so as I was saying about top 100, the problem is I play 6-player games. I don't play very many 1v, or I don't play any 1v1s. So I risk my rank a lot when I'm playing against beginners, and I don't stand that much to gain. Like if I started this game at 169, I'm probably not going to rank up very much, maybe like 4 or 5 rank points. But if I lost, I'd lose more than 100. But that is the grind as I see it. Sometimes you really have to ask yourself, how good are you? And if I have the hubris to think that I actually am good at this game, then I might as well show that to be true. This is middle of February, so this is 11 months I've been playing on this app. I think I have a pretty good sense of how the different boards work, how most players play. I still get caught by surprise every now and again. But, hopefully you learn from your mistakes. Takes that 10 and gravitates into himself. This is perfect. It's exact. Okay, so now he has 2 continents in the middle, and they're both 3 for 3s that have a blizzard. So Orange is feeling really strong. Hopefully, Purple now holding that one will break. Green puts out there. I don't like that. That's in my way. I wanted to occupy this corner. But I'm okay. So I can take this single, I can take that single, and now I have the 2-position game. And they're on both ends of the map, so no individual opponent can just easily kill me. And Yellow's looking really strong in the north, but they only have essentially 1 contiguous position, and they make stupid attacks. Don't roll Blitz on 2s with anything less than 7. It's not guaranteed. You can lose them all. If you're rolling on 2s, switch to manual with less than 7. There's your hot tip for the day. You'll rarely see me ever do that. Okay, so this corner feels pretty secure. I occupy these territories, don't really have to worry about defending them. Maybe Blue's going to try and fuck me, but I think this 9 on his border will say otherwise. I hope Purple breaks, because while Orange is surrounded, getting an extra 6 troops on their turn is a lot. Yeah, I think they're going to hold. And then Orange will be the threat, which is perfect. No one has to worry about little old me off to the sides when you got this big center to worry about, and everyone is going to push to it. I lose my final position in the center. Not that I was expecting to hold it, and Orange reinforces 9 on turn 4. Let's see what they do with it. They get all up in Yellow's way. The issue with this is it's strong, but it's surrounded. Everyone else has nowhere else to go. I really like the fortress he's building, though. It's impressive. I would be smart to hold here. I don't think pushing into either of these territories sends the right message to Orange. I'll take the easy take if I have to, but I don't want to. I might actually be better to move my 9 there. That could be the move, is I make that attack, but then I move that way. Green won't like that, but I'm not as afraid of Green, because they're not putting in all those additional territories. Yellow does some bullshit in the north. I'm not worried about yellow at all. Oh, and they match early. That's why. Don't do this. Whatever. See what yellow's doing? Don't do that. He's matching in early for board position. He's trying to take that continent. It's only worth 4, but it's huge. Odds of him holding that continent are low. Particularly, how are you going to guard that? Now, do I want to be the asshole that breaks, though? No, I don't usually break. Again, I want to stay out of everyone's way. So let's say I break this guy's continent, I cost him 4 troops, but that pisses him off, and then he goes to attrition on me. Or he spends the rest of his matches trying to kill me. That's way more than 4 troops, even though it's an easy take. I think I'm going to hold my 10 there. I'm just going to get a little pop there on green, and I'm still fine. I'm not technically in the corner with this one, but no one's. It's the largest army in town. No one's going to deal with that. All right, purple putting in lots. Oh no, right next to me, huh? So my hope for the bots is that they break other people's continents. This bot seems to be taking the Lake Mead, which is also worth 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I don't get it. This is worth 4, but it's for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is 4 for 8, and this one is 4 for 4 in the middle. I guess the ones on the sides are prioritized because you don't have as many fronts to defend. I do still have this 2 in the bottom. I think if it survives... Oh no. Please no, orange. Please. Please no. Don't do it. Okay. Orange is pushing into my corner. And they pull back to their center. Or do they leave an advanced force? Yeah, see, orange is looking real scary now. Oh, he's boxing me in. Interesting. I am last to match in this, and green breaks purple. Cool. So my attack is here. I still have this 3rd position. I might as well make use of it. I'll take out 1 point of blue. And hopefully I don't lose my big army sandwiched between 2 of my robot opponent's continents. Should also focus on how I'm going to kill green, because they appear to be the fish in this game. That was a very aggressive move by orange. I don't like it. I have half a mind to back up, but it's the wrong time in the game to do that. I need that 10 over there. I think having a 3rd position at the moment makes me just that little bit less likely to get killed. So that was the right move as we move into the matching turn. Yeah, green's looking nice and weak. Okay, so blue is going to put in the 6. No, blue's going to put in the 8. Who matched? No. Who matched early? Ah, right. Yellow matched early. Okay. Blue puts in the 8. That means orange puts in the 10. And green gets eaten. Orange could kill green. Let's see if they see it. If orange matches in, kills green, takes their 5 cards, that will put them in a very good spot. Let's see if they see it. That could be going into me. Thankfully it didn't. Oh, they took out a piece of green, but they didn't finish. You see how they totally could have? That's too bad. Green's going to match in, and they're going to get to 12. Hopefully that they retaliate against orange for that bullshit. Never do that either. Never take out half of your opponent, but not the other half, because someone else will, and then they get the value. And green didn't set themselves up to punch orange. Oh yeah, they do. They can cut through here. Come on, green, do something. That guy just fucked you. This game is running out of time. Okay. I need to get this 10 out of orange's way. This guy's claiming continents, though, so we have that on the upside. Ooh, is he making green a fish for me? Can I kill green? Green is holding 3 cards, 26 troops. No. Too many splits. Well, that's less. 21. Now it's looking more likely. If I put everything on the 9 and cut around, looking more likely. Let's go for it. Of course, green has slightly less. Are they a better fish? I'm going to try for blue. I think I have it. Let's roll 4 on 2. Hey, I get it. Now, there's 1 less split. And I'll match again. And now, I'll kill green. Excellent. Now we're talking. Purple has 3 cards. Can I kill purple? I think I can. Yeah, I think I can. Well, this cookie is crumbling nicely. I think I hold here. Just consolidate my continents a little bit. And now my opponents will have to make an aggressive move on me. Orange is very close in strength, so that's why I didn't want to overextend to kill yellow, but yellow is now the fish, and I have a match on 3. I think I win this game. Orange makes an aggressive move on me, even though I didn't break his continent. Sure, bud. Now, unless yellow matches on 3 as well, I eat them on my turn. Hopefully they see that I didn't break. No, they match on 3. Okay, is that going into me as well? Going into orange. Alright. Them thinning out orange but not finishing means that I kill orange, take their 4 cards, and win for sure. Yellow comes in second. Thank you for feeding me my opponent. And good game. Okay. So, if I started this game ranked 169, I'm probably playing 3 beginners. Can't imagine going up more than 5 points, but it's a step in the right direction. At least I have a pretty good sense of how this Las Vegas board plays out now. the connection points. I hope I do well in my tournament game. Currently ranked 4th place. So we'll see how I perform on this board later today. Okay, 2 out of 3 were intermediates. There you go. Orange and green were intermediates. And yellow was a beginner. And that was a very beginner move they made at the end, pushing into a force that was too large for them to take. We rank up to 162. 728 hours played, 1453 wins, 2618 losses. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found some of it valuable. And I thank you for your attention. Until next time, for all of you on the path to world domination, good games and good luck.